Hello folks, and welcome to Wellness to You, Healthy Vending. We typically don't do this, but this is a good project. We hope to benefit those trying to replace the glass on this refrigerated vending machine. It's a USI Wittern. You select it, and so we're here changing the double pane glass. It was broken a while back, and so we ordered this glass from a local glass supplier. It's a double pane glass, and we will provide the dimensions for this glass. But USI Wittern, they don't offer this item anymore as a SKU for ordering ready-made from the factory, so we had to go out and order custom one. And being double pane, it actually fit perfectly. Even the gasket from the former glass, it applied perfectly around it. And here it is, Hugo removing some of the panels. During the process of filming this, we lost the sound, so I'm here dubbing over this footage. But as you can see, you just have to remember the order of these panels when you take it out. You will need this suction cup, the driver, and you won't need, actually, if you preserve the gasket, you won't need the silicone glue at all. We find out that the gasket was sufficient to seal the glass in place. And what's most important, that you order the glass in the exact size for this tight fit. The exact measurement, it has to be followed, when you order the glass. And of course, bring shop vac. You're going to need that to clean it. But watch the video as we remove, in this instance here, the gasket that was around the original double pane glass. So if you remove the gasket carefully, you need to save that. We're going to apply it to the new glass. If I remember correctly from the original recording, you need a socket, a 1/4 inch socket, and a 9mm socket for the nuts and bolts on this machine. And again, we're vacuuming, cleaning it up somewhat. The unfortunate side is that there will be glass and chips of glass to the end of time. I mean, we're vacuuming, removing all the little pieces from this accident here, but forever there'll be little pieces falling. It's just something you can avoid. They break down in a million little pieces. So we hope to get most out, and Premier, I guess, was the company that made the glass. And here we're going to apply the suction cup, one on each side of the glass, and pushing it in. We had to remove a couple times to get the gasket in place. The gasket had moved, so make sure you have 2 of those. And from the outside where I'm standing, I'll be pushing towards Hugo and replacing it again.